This is the old A2070. Bit quiet nowadays compared with the A2070 that you can hear in the background. They've got their own post box.
And guaranteed you say, oh, isn't it lovely and peaceful? And then plane comes over.
Of an interest in us.
I know.
Well, hello.
Hello!
It's October the 17th and
Yes.
we are at another church. Now, we've kind of... The last time we came and did this shot,
Yes.
the microphone played up, so we didn't get any sound at all. So
No.
we're back again. We actually... The video you're going to watch is probably from September.
It was, yeah.
And it was a little bit warmer.
A lot warmer
It's,
and drier.
it's now October. You can see there's leaves on all the ground. So
Yeah.
such is our dedication to our work. We've
Yeah.
come to do the opening shot again. Come all the way just to do this shot.
Yes. And we are at Saint Augustine's Snave.
In Kent,
Romney
on
Marsh.
the Romney Marsh. We've been eyed up by two horses over there to make sure that
Which were here last time, and
Yeah.
they're beautiful.
they are beautiful and they keep guard, and they've given us a very strange look
Yeah.
as we came up.
Yeah, especially the white dappled one. He's giving a stern stare.
Very stern stare. Anyway, we're going to visit another church on the Romney Marsh.
Yes, we are.
And where is it? Behind us, isn't it?
Behind us. It's all right. We've been away since we last came here. We've been in Norfolk.
We've been to
So
Norfolk.
watch out for those, because
Yeah,
we have
just
seen churches there, of course.
Some great Norfolk churches as well on their way. But let's do this one, shall we?
Do-do-do-do.
Beep-beep.
Snave in Kent is located just off the A256, which links Ashford via Ham Street to the centre of Romney Marsh at Brooklyn. The village only consists of the church and several houses. The church, which is dedicated to Saint Augustine, is one of the most remote churches on the Romney Marsh. It is very small and stands at the end of a deep grass tract.
The church consists of a chancel with a north chapel, nave and a west tower, which forms the main entrance to the church. St Augustine at Snave, one of the smallest churches on the marsh, was originally built in the 13th century and restored in 1873.
You found a door?
Special shots have to be done.
This church was made redundant in 1983.
83. Wow.
Redundant since 1983, the church was originally Catholic, but stopped holding Latin masses when it turned Protestant at the time of the Reformation in the 16th century. In 2015, it held its first Latin Mass since that time.
Seems wedged. That's got to be the one at Fairfield, isn't it?
Yeah, it's Fairfield. This is the Romney Marsh Historic Churches Trust. And the various churches. We've yet to visit Fairfield.
There's
a very small fireplace for a big church, isn't it?
The furnishings mostly date from a restoration of 1873, similar to other churches nearby.
Built in the 13th century.
Sadly, this remote church was declared redundant in 1983, and its upkeep and maintenance was placed in the care of the Romney Marsh Historic Churches Trust in 1984.
There's another Marsh mosaic. Because we had one in Brooklyn.
They've all got them, haven't they?
They've all got them, yeah. Some of the redundant churches has got that air about it, isn't it?
Yeah.
That we've been to, rather than the ones that are in use.
Again, you've got whole tree trunks that are used for the roof beams. Crazy, isn't it?
You've got to try and play that organ, eh?
I'm not going to play the organ.
No.
Don't worry.
It's got the kind of pedals for the to drive it.
Beautiful little thing, though, isn't it?
It is.
Tiny Bible.
Oh, it's a prayer book.
Oh, wow. For me to read it, it'd be so small. I won't be able to read that. Better, Seffy.
That's heavy.
Yeah.
Oh yes, lead lined.
As they should be. Oh, look.
This church is entirely maintained by the Romney Marsh Historic Churches Trust. The original medieval font now rests on the floor in the nave, rescued from use as a water butt, a rainwater butt.
Wow, interesting.
We've seen one of them in Norfolk, haven't we?
Yeah.
But this one's definitely showing its age and not restored. Some stairs.
Yes, there are.
And you're not allowed to go up there quite clearly.
Oh, they... Yeah.
Up to the belfry, there's a hatch at the top there.
Ooh. B. Stratton, Church Warden, May 8, 1783. Wow.
There is an annual harvest Thanksgiving service takes place in this church on the second Sunday of September at 3 p.m. Well, we just missed that, but so they do use it, which is nice.
I mean, there's doesn't look as if there's anywhere for the vicar to change into his robes or anything like that in here. There's nothing, is there? Because these doors are all outside doors. Yeah, all the churches we've been to in the area has got that.
Yeah, every church has got that. Oh, I've got to sign the visitor's book.
There you go. What do I always say when you're in church grounds? Be respectful. You wouldn't want people to come and be disrespectful of your family members. These are all Romney Marsh churches that are looked after by the trust.
The whole family here. Mary Stratton, David Stratton, and Sarah Stratton. 1862, 1818, and 1879.
Yeah, watch out for little holes where animals have been.
Evidence of the footpath onto the Romney Marsh, through the churchyard here.
In the corner of this church, which couldn't have heated anything.
Lovely setting though, isn't it?
Yeah,
On a mound.
yeah, off the road.
Like
most of the churches.
Well, apparently they've all been built on a mound, an artificial mound. Protect them
It's
from
not
floodwater.
surprising, yeah. Well, you think about it, these places were like sanctuary to villagers or passers-by, weren't they? I mean, even if you're not a religious person, it's somewhere to come and be safe. Which is what it should be.
Yeah.
And you don't have to be religious to appreciate history.
No, you don't.
The tower, containing 3 bells, is square with large squat buttresses, with its upper part built in the 15th century and has plain, square-headed belfry windows. For the most part, the church states from the 13th century, but the upper part of the tower was added later.
To combat the constant problem of subsidence, there are 14 buttresses around the building.
Thank you for watching. Do join us again soon as we go exploring once more. Bye!
Cheerio!